But that was dramatic.
Stomach weak, yeah, my stomach turning. Save it for the verses. Put it all on my soul. That I died for this music so the story gets told. It's the age of hip-hop, no more rock and roll. I'm a rock star, motherfucker, out of control. Yeah, we sipping it slow, but we moving it forward, yeah. If you ain't with me building, get the fuck up out your feelings. If I ain't show respect, then you ain't show it back then. Back when you would just laugh then. Past tense, the future looking fast, man. Flash can, you wanna throw shots? Then you could learn to catch hands. Nadal with my left and Roger with my backhand. I wonder why they always hating. Lately I've been only seeing blessings where the guy fucking Satan. I see the devil sitting in a chair who looks me in the eyes. Says he wants to see me go with him, forget about the skies. I said, I like that, but tell me what's the prize? He telling me to tell a story filled with hate and lies. I see beneath your eyes, I see beneath the surface. You living with a passion, but still don't got a purpose. Say the devil, 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 save the devil, save the devil, save the devil, save the devil.
Hey, Mr. Fish, I won this monkey for him.
She did.
At a basketball thing. He tried, he couldn't do it, I did it, so I won him a monkey.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today is the day. Today's the day that everyone waits for all year long. It's SCMM today. We're ready, bikes are clean. Fish is here from the UK, you know, over here chilling, getting ready to roll out. It's already kind of warm, but I think we'll be good. I think it'll be good. It's supposed to be cool this year. Anyways, let's get to it.
You just done messed up.
Get dizzy.
She's gonna knock you
Down.
Singles?
Yeah, chill out. We're going to the land of the leathery people.
the land of leather people. Where the homeless have 2-inch skin.
Yeah. Where they can fall down and it doesn't even affect them.
Where every bit of their body's like the bottom of your foot.
Yeah. You're like, what are you doing with that knife? Oh, I'm just sharpening it. Yeah. Have you been up to Big Bear?
No.
Oh, we have to do Big Bear.
I've been called Big Bear by many gay people.
maybe Friday we'll do Big Bear. Next Friday.
I'm assuming you mean the mountain range.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Not the gay. Okay,
not the gay. Yeah.
The gay men, no? Okay.
Yeah,
just making sure.
We're not gonna go to Big Bear and strip club. I'm picturing like a bear with like tight little booty shorts on.
Oh
like
god.
I got this image of an actual bear.
I'm not going to try and understand how your mind works, Ghost.
Hey, that wasn't me. That was Kenny.
Yeah, that was Ghost talking about.
Hey, that was not me.
Uh huh.
Fucking Kenny.
So you're picturing a big guy in hot pants, is that what you're saying?
No. I think he was talking about teddy bears.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A small guy in hot pants, even worse.
Let me turn the light off.
Well, it's not going to be long. You can see this just going right there.
Try not to make my nuts boil.
No, don't talk to me about boiling nuts. I'm going to turn mine off.
I can't turn mine off. It won't start.
Daytona.
Yeah.
Quality.
I mean, you built it.
Yeah, your people built it.
Your people built it.
Yeah, but it wasn't meant for sort of distance. It's only meant for 3,000 miles a year.
Yeah.
On racetracks.
In the rain.
In the rain. They only work in the rain. So,
they only work, yeah, when it's nice and cold out.
Yeah.
That's what it's missing. It's missing rain and cold.
Yeah. If you throw salt on it and a bucket of water every now and again, it works perfectly.
Wonder what they're doing out here.
I don't know. Maybe they're repairing tire stuff?
Maybe.
Fixing the barriers where they probably overheat.
Oh, they melted and shit?
Yeah.
Quite possibly, yeah.
Oh
Look,
shit,
it's
look
all,
at that.
it's all
Look
you
to the
wood
right.
behind the barrier.
Yeah, look at that shit. That's crazy.
Wow.
That was a big fire. Can you imagine how hot it was up there?
Oh my god. And it was during like a really bad heat wave too.
Yeah. It's just freaky.
That is insane. You can still see the red fire retardant on the mountain over there on the right. You see that?
Where?
Watch, look to your right.
Oh yeah, well, they dropped it.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, you can see all the area where they dropped the fire retardant.
Holy shit.
Huh, that was awkward.
What happened?
My watch, somehow I pressed the button and it sent an SOS out.
Oh shit.
So my wife got a text saying an SOS
Oh,
with,
wow.
with my location of where I'm at.
How'd that happen?
My watch has an SOS feature, like if you get into an accident or something, you can hold it down. It'll automatically send a text message to whoever you want and your address, and then it automatically answers. So if they call you within 30 minutes, it'll just answer. So in case you can't answer your phone or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take you told it.
So the,
Yeah. I was like, I'm writing. I don't know. I've never had that happen before. I'm just hoping that I didn't have it set to go to the police as well.
Any?
I'm good.
Okay. Check it.
Gas station I might stop though.
Oh, I want to look to the right so bad.
Well, it's stopping just down there, so you can.
Wow.
A bit further down, I think it's the bottom of this.
Let's take a look at this view.
And that's where we're going.
Ooh, look at that turn.
You don't look at that turn.
Don't look at me.
There's no turns. There's no turns. I don't want to frighten the bike. Huh?
Did you miss this view?
Yeah, mate. I like it down here. It's brutal.
A little warm, you mean?
Shit, look at fucking grandma on the fucking, was it a Hellcat?
Is it?
Yeah!
In the Hellcat? Oh.
Yeah! Give me some gas! Fucking grandma's rocking the Hellcat.
She was smiling. That's fucking Betty White right there. No, come on. Alright, so we checked in. And, man, my bike sounds rough when it starts. But, we checked in. Fucking ditching the jacket. It is just too stupid hot. And, we about to go see what's going on in Musicland, where everyone's at. At least most people are. Let's see what's popping down. Need a lift? I don't know. I don't think Kenny's there. They went to get beer. No, I think they drove somewhere. Unless that's them right there. Nope, that's not them. What up? Not much. How's it going? A little bit. Yeah. It's a good time for beer, though. We out here setting up our booth. Everyone rolling in. Trick Wanda's in the house. Here, SCMM 2018. Didn't really film much. You got fish. You just missed it. He had his pants off. We had our booth. We took it down. We got to take off. But as you can see, a lot of people here with a Ninja. About to head out, head back. Didn't spend too much time here. Forgot my GoPro, of course. So this is what you gotta do. You gotta work with what you got, and the cell phone is what I have. So don't have too much footage from the event, at least here. But it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and steal some footage from Kenny. Grab his drone footage because I know he's got it. And but I mean, you can see. Let's see if we can zoom in. Oh, nope, can't zoom in. Anyways, it's pretty good. Good turnout. A lot of fun. If you guys came up to me, appreciate it. Stay tuned for the raffle. I'll be raffling that shit off. So yeah, you're El Pasito. Fucking shorts. That's gonna be. I have no idea what we're doing, but we're about to roll out. 2018 SCMM, motherfuckers. We about to roll out. Night ride. I've literally never ridden in shorts.
Yeah, it's a weird look.
It fucking feels weird, I'm not gonna lie.
And you're gonna be all up in the video.
I'm gonna be all up in the video, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie though, it feels good though. It does feel good.
That's not good. You better fucking put that shit down.
He's doing his thing. That's impressive.
Yeah, that's a good way
That-
to fucking get us all slower.
He put it down.
Yeah, but it's nice. Yeah.
That is quite impressive.
Oh, that dude up front is filming, that's why.
We got fucking Cruising Moto, we got Bash, K6 in the back. We got all kinds of motherfuckers out here. 2 minute Trick Wonders? I mean, too many to name.
What Trick Wonders that?
This dude is out here killing it.
There's Trick Wonders over there, my motherfucker. I'll get over there by him.
This dude out here killing it. Is that a 650? Damn, he's doing one-handers too. I can't believe I'm in shorts. I've never ridden in shorts. This is fucking weird. I wish I would have brought pants.
You know what I just noticed?
I mean, let's be honest though, there's really no big difference between pants and fucking shorts. You're fucked either way.
You know, maybe it's a mental thing.
You're right, it is a mental thing, but there is no difference between shorts and fucking pants.
That extra layer of fabric?
It feels, but it just gets into your skin.
Man.
It just gets into your skin.
My man.
This bitch just grabbed my titty.
Hey, what?
She grabbed my titty.
You got your tit grab?
I got a tit grab. She playing with my nipples. I feel violated though.
I'm not gonna lie.
I felt the hand squeeze my titty. I was like, what is that?
Wait, hey. Can I use hashtag me too?
Hashtag me too, motherfucker. Goddamn. You, bitch, bring my key back. That's fucked up.
Yeah.
Come on.
It's right there. It's right there. It's at the light. It's at the light. It's at the light. Right there in front of you.
Where?
Right there in front of you.
I don't see it.
And there's no fucking sidewalk.
There's no fucking...
Right there.
Dude, the key is not here.
It's right there in front of me. Right there.
Why the fuck you throw the key? That's fucked up. Dude.
Come on, man. Get the key, dude.
That's fucked up.
Get the key. I'm sorry.
Oh, come on, man.
I didn't know the weather's going to change so fast.
Come on, man.
Come on. You're alright. I feel bad now.
My bike ain't starting.
Are you bullshitting, right?
No, I'm not bullshitting.
What? There it goes.
It's not starting.
I hear it.
It's not starting.
Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm coming
It's
back.
dead.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to help you. Are you good?
Nope.
Oh, shit. Alright.
There we go. Yeah.
Daytona.
Alright, man, motherfucker, why you pull my key out?
My bad, dude. I didn't know it was gonna not start.
I told you this shit don't like starting when it's hot. I gotta give it a minute.
I didn't know that, man. I thought it was like when it was cold. I'm sorry.
Yours?
Yes.
Fuck you, Kenny!
You know what? I hope you shit your pants.